billahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my YouTube family. Welcome to Yasmin's family. I want to thank the Almighty Allah who has enabled me and you to reach this new blessed day. It is not our knowledge, not our power, it is Allah's mercy. Dear viewers and my returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me, for loving me. I'm so super thankful from the bottom of my heart. If you are new here, my name is Mama Yasmin from Uganda, Kampala, East Africa. Kindly support me, subscribe on my channel, press the notification bell so that you will get the notification whenever we post or we upload. We upload video, short video, we post on community, we do live stream and premiere. Kindly support us. This channel is for cooking, baking, farming, inspiring the mothers out there. Today in Mama Yasmin's kitchen, we are cooking our beans. Yeah, we are cooking our beans here. Yeah, we are going to cook beans and eggplant, inshallah, within Rahman. So dear viewers, as we started with cooking our beans, though we didn't show you when we were washing, putting the beans in the pressure cooker, we started when our beans already in the pressure cooker. Now our beans are ready. Our beans are ready, as you see. To remove this pan inside the pressure cooker, we remove the pressure cooker. Second part is to remove this water. Yeah, we don't eat this water here from the beans. Always we remove it, as you see. Always remove. When you have ulcers, it is not good to eat. It's good, but for us we don't. We always wash the beans just like this. We always do it whenever we cook the beans. Okay. Viewers, we have here our beans. We have tomato paste, Simba curry powder, paprika, salt, soya sauce. We have turmeric. Don't forget we have here, this is kotimiri or coriander. We have roiko, onion, eggplant and tomatoes. Come with me and we start the journey of cooking. The oil is already. Yeah, I moved the saucepan because we heated the oil before. Removing the beans in the pressure cooker. Here we are. Simba curry powder. We have turmeric. We have paprika. We have soya sauce and roiko. We have tomato paste. Here is our eggplant. Now we are going to add in our beans. So we are going to use our hot water. Lastly, we are going to add in our cotton. Okay, let us wait for the amazing results of our beans and eggplant. Inshallah, bismillah. Dear viewers and our returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for supporting Mama Yasmin. I'm so super thankful from the bottom of my heart. These are our beans and eggplant. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy with my family. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.